हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज करंट अफेयर्स देखा 28 जुलाई 2021। Tunisia's president removes PM Mechichi, suspends parliament. Tunisia's president Kais Saied suspended the parliament and dismissed Prime Minister Hichem Mechichi amid the ongoing nationwide protests over the country's social and economic turmoil and the government's way of handling the COVID-19 pandemic. एथिरे माने इम्पोर्टेंट जिन होचे तुनिसिया। ओके, तो तार प्रेसिडेंट होचंदी काइस सईद एंड प्राइम मिनिस्टर होचंदी हिचम मेचिची। तो से पार्लियामेंट सस्पेंड कराई ड्यू टू द माने पोर हैंडलिंग ऑफ कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक। नेक्स्ट, हरप्पन सिटी ऑफ ढोलावीरा named UNESCO World Heritage Site. Dholavira has now become the 40th site in India to give an UNESCO World Heritage inscription. It is one of the very few well-preserved urban settlements in South Asia. Dholavira, a Harappan era city, was added to the list of World Heritage Site by UNESCO. The city is located in Gujarat's Rann of Kutch. तो गुजरात रेड अवस्थित। नेक्स्ट, पुरी becomes first city in India to have drink from tap project. Puri became the first city in India to have drink from tap project that will dispense safe hygienic drinking water directly from a tap 24/7. CM Naveen Patnaik launched the Sujal drink from tap. तो एटा पुरी रो माने ओडिशार योजना। Puri has now included among the global cities such as New York, London and Singapore in offering safe and hygienic drinking water directly from a tap facility. Okay, next, Indra, India, Russia to hold 12th edition of joint military exercise in Volgograd in August. The 12th edition of Indra military exercise between India and Russia will entail the conduct of the counter-terror operation under the United Nations mandated by a joint force against the international terror groups. Indra is a joint biennial military exercise that was first conducted by India and Russia in 2003. The military exercise is aimed to boost the cooperation and interoperability between the Indian and Russian navies. So माने इंडिया रशिया माने मिलिटरी एक्सरसाइज इंद्र एटा एग्जाम मतलब बहुत टाइम रे आसे। तो इंद्र एक्सरसाइज बिटवीन इंडिया एंड व्हिच कंट्री? तो इट इज इंडिया एंड रशिया। नेक्स्ट, नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फूड टेक्नोलॉजी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप एंड मैनेजमेंट बिल पास्ड। With the passing of this bill, two educational institutes, the Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology IIFPT Tamil Nadu and the National Institute of Food Technology Entrepreneurship and Management Haryana under the Ministry of Food Processing Industries became the institute of national importance. The bill seeks to provide the instructions and research in food technology, entrepreneurship, management, as well as for the advancement of learning and dissemination of knowledge in such branches. तो एटा गोटे बिल पास होइछि। ओके, CRPF raising date 2021, that is India's largest paramilitary force. The CRPF came into existence as Crown Representative Police Force on July 27, 1939. Today the force celebrates the 83rd glorious years of being a pillar of India's internal security. The CRPF with 246 battalions and various other establishments is considered to be India's largest paramilitary force. तो एटा क्वेश्चन आसी पारे India's largest paramilitary force कोडा? तो CRPF as of 2019 it has sanctioned strength of more than 3 lakh personnel. As a weightlifter Zhu Zhou to be tested by anti-doping authorities, Chanu to get medal of grade. As per the rules of Olympics, if an athlete fails a dope test, then the clean athlete next in rank are awarded their rightful Olympic medal following the disqualification of the doped athlete. This process is known as Olympic medal reallocation. So in case of China's Zhi fails the dope test, then Chanu of India would be awarded the gold medal. This would also make Chanu the first Indian woman athlete to have won gold in the women's weightlifting category. Following Chanu's upgradation to the gold, Indonesia's Cantika would be upgraded to silver. Okay, next. Kandla becomes first SCG to achieve the IGBC Green Cities Platinum rating. Okay, Kandla SCG Special Economic Zone. Kandla SCG became the first Green SCG to achieve the IGBC Green Cities Platinum rating for existing cities after it was awarded the IGBC Platinum rating. The CIS IGBC Indian Green Building Council awarded the IGBC Platinum rating for policy initiative, green master planning and implementation of green infrastructure. This recognition will inspire all other SCGs in the country to emulate the efforts and green initiative that has been achieved by Kandla SCG. So, question is where SCG become the first to achieve this IGBC Green Platinum rating. Okay, so that is Kandla SCG. Okay, next. 13-year-old skater Nishia, Japan's youngest gold medalist. 13-year-old Japanese skateboarder Momiji Nishia won the gold medal at the Tokyo Olympics. She became one of the youngest gold medalists ever at the Olympic Games. One of the youngest, not youngest, okay. Uttar Pradesh CM launches MyGov Meri Sarkar portal. Through this portal, the people of the state can give various feedbacks to the government, and the UP government can also inform them about the various schemes of the state. So My Government Meri Sarkar उत्तर प्रदेश सीएम एडा लॉन्च करछंती. तो क्वेश्चन इज वेरी एडा को गवर्नमेंट ही करछि. 4 new sports in Tokyo Olympics. 4 new sports have been introduced in Tokyo Olympics. They are karate, skateboarding, surfing and sport climbing. तो क्वेश्चन केतला आसबार को स्पोर्ट्स गुड़ा टोक्यो ओलंपिक्स नुआ करी इंट्रोड्यूस है. Bangladesh to launch Jogajog as an alternative to Facebook. Bangladesh is going to launch its own social media platform named Jogajog, okay, which is an alternative to the globally popular Facebook, and Alapon, which will be an alternative of WhatsApp. With this, please subscribe to my channel for daily current affairs, and subscribe karantu my channel ko, and thank you. Jai Hind.